30, 60, 90-day plan that people have is typically at the start of the job.
Yeah.
They don't do it incessantly. So what is a very good strategy is to start writing down and have your thinking or the consideration time. Half an hour a day if you can give yourself. You should be the first one to block your calendar instead of jostling the time on your own time. First one to block your calendar and write things down. Journaling is very useful. Having a reference point of people outside the industry, seeking mentoring or coaching from outside is very useful. And ensuring that while I was at the office, how did I grow? I allowed the team to grow. How did I grow as an individual? That is very critical.
So but how do I know whether I'm on the right track?
Having a reference point. If you can have a reference point of people from outside the industry, some peer or your past self or your friend who is in a different context, and you are able to ensure and keep a track. And a very good example is that, is my vocabulary changing? As a leader, there are two input channels, there are two output channels. Input channels are listening and reading. Output channels are writing and speaking. If I'm not having very powerful input channels, if I'm not listening different stuff and well, if I'm not reading different stuff and well, I'll be predictable in the outcome. So the moment I open my mouth, my guys know that, this is what he's going to say. So they'll start rolling their eyes, which means I need to listen from different channels, read different work so that whenever I speak new stuff. So if I'm repeating myself, I know that I'm stagnating. If my style is the same for addressing a problem, I know I'm stagnating. So that's the check.